Hello guys or friends. Today we are going to learn about Indian birds. And friends, this is my new video and my first blogging video. Friends, does anyone have interest in wildlife or birds? Comment down below. If you saw any new bird, comment down below and give information of that bird, about that bird. Okay? Today we will learn about Indian birds, Indian birds names, parts of birds, Indian bird specialist names, etc. Before starting the video, I'll introduce myself. Name B. Chetan Sai. My name is B. Chetan Sai and I am 12 years old. I am from India, Telangana, Hyderabad, BHEL, New MIG, studying in Jyoti Vidyalaya High School. Grade. I am in 7th class, 7th grade. I have interest in nature, wildlife, science, discoveries, history. If I ask any doubt about wildlife, etc., my uncle will help me. My uncle is working in WCS India or Haitikos, Save Tigers. My uncle knows much about wildlife. If I ask any doubts in science or anything, my parents will explain me. And my uncle's name is Vamshi. My mother name is Rajini and my father name is Ramesh. Okay guys, let's start the video. Okay guys, now let's start the video. Indian Birds is a bi-monthly ornithology journal or newsletter that was established in 2004. It was formerly published under the heading Newsletter for Ornithologists. For one year, it publishes articles on identification, distribution, migration, conservation, and taxonomy. Apart from reports of significant ornithological sightings and events published from Hyderabad, the publication is owned by New Honest Foundation. In 2006, the Bagan Leo Kichla, a new bird species from Arunachal Pradesh, was described by Ramana Atreya in this journal. The description of the bird carried in the journal was made without the collection of a type specimen, as there were too few to risk killing one. Though this practice was not unprecedented with 4 prior instances, the pure charisma of the bird together with this practice created a controversy in the scientific and conservation community on the costs and benefits of this. Sorry guys. The journal has published 683 articles in its first 8 volumes. Nearly 125 of these articles are referenced in the text of Handbook of the Birds of the World online. In 2016, Indian Birds published the official bird checklist for the country. Ashish Pitti has been the editor of this journal since its inception. Zafar Futte Ali, who founded newsletter for bird watchers in 1960, guys. Okay, served as editor emeritus until his death in 2013. The first South Asian records of the following species were published in this journal. Okay, now we'll learn about parts of the bird. This part is called crown. This is lores. And this is Auriculus. This is malar region. This is throat. Sides, breast, belly, flanks, vent. Vent is nothing but butt. T-U-T-T. Tail, upper tail converts. Rump, mantle, nape, supercilium. And we'll learn about water bird names of India. Cody shearwater. These are black. These are scientific names. On the right side, there are scientific names. Okay, second one. Sabine's gull. Blue-winged pitta. Black-browed bush-tit. Crested-tit warbler. Yunnan nutchat. Chinese thrush. Mugi-maki flycatcher. Tristram's bunting. The first national records of the following species were published in this journal: short-tailed shearwater, long-tailed jaeger, woodchat shrike, Asian stubtail. Apart from publishing pure novelties, the journal has published opinion pieces. Some of the special issues published include Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Migrant Watch, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Pelagic Birds. Discipline: Ornithology, Language, English, edited by Ashish Pitti. Publication details: former names, newsletter for ornithologists, history 2004 present. Publisher 2004 to present. Publisher New Honest Foundation. Frequency bi-monthly. Standard abbreviations: ISO 4 Indian birds. How many? All will have doubt. This doubt. How many birds are there in the world? Okay, there are 10,000 species. Birds are traditionally thought of as a well-studied group with more than 95% of their global species diversity estimated to have been described. Most checklists used by bird watchers as well as by scientists say that there are roughly between 9,000 and 10,000 species of birds. And how many birds are there in India? There are 1,301 species, total of around 1,001 species of bird found in India. Out 42 are endemic to Indian subcontinent, and rest of the others are introduced as an accidental species. Some of the most beautiful academic birds of India include Malabar parakeet, Himalayan quail, Nilgiri flycatcher, Indian peacock, and Bugan Leo Kichla. You're seeing this bird now? This is purple rump or sunbird. And we'll learn names, bird specialists names of India. Indian bird specialists: Humayun, Abdul Ali, Andrew Leith Adams, Salim Ali, Biswamu Biswas, Anwaruddin Chowdhury, Margaret Bushby, Lascelles Cockburn, J.C. Daniel, Douglas. J.C. Daniel is naturalist. Douglas Dever, Royal Sri Dharma Kumar Singhji, Zafar Fateh Ali, Bikram Grewal, Himmat Singhji, M.K. Alan Octavian Hume, S.A. Hashim, Manu Bhai Jodani, Lav Kumar Kachar, Eric J. Lott, John McClelland, Doctor, Sanjoy Monga, KK Neelakantan, Satish Pandey, Sachin Anil Punekar, KSR Krishnaraju, Ravi Sankaran, VS Vijayarajaji. And this is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Anyone likes the video, then hit the like button. And guys, every week, one entertainment video and blogging videos. Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.